Okay, so if you're thinking about moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're not really sure what city you want to consider, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a really great city, and it is Christmas. And we'll have a special surprise at the end, a best kept secret. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are at 855 Rainbow in Grapevine, Texas. And what's really great about this is Grapevine is just north of the airport. And so it's a great location. And there are a variety of homes in this area. This one is 1,290 square feet, built in 1968. So this is an older neighborhood. I'm going to show you all around. There we are. That road right there is one of the main roads that leads to historical Main Street, Grapevine. So now we are in another part of Grapevine, Texas, and actually right behind me is Main Street. So we're very, very close to that, and it's just such an interesting city. It was founded like in 1846. I hear Bonnie and Clyde actually made a jaunt through this area back in the day. So it is very close to the airport, as I mentioned. There's a lake nearby, lots of great schools, shopping. It's very convenient to everything. So I'm going to show you this house. This kind of is in a regentrification sort of area where houses are coming new again or being remodeled. This one is on College. It's $700,000, built in 1925. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet. So I want to show you, there's an area over here. So you're seeing tear downs happen and then new houses being built, or people just remodeling the house altogether. So I want to show you all around the area. Here it is. That area over there is where some construction is going on. And so you're seeing older houses really quick. We are very close to the airport. There's an airplane there. So we are kind of in a flight landing area. So there are, businesses nearby, even to this. So it's walking distance to anything. And like you can see this is a beautiful house just right across the street. And then just beyond this then are businesses. So it's like residential, but then as you go down this street, it gets more towards the commercial, Main Street, that kind of thing. So now we are over off of Wall Street, still in Grapevine. This house is going for $1.4 million. It was rebuilt, so 2024, brand new, 3,600 square feet. This is an area where it is almost like mixed use. Could be commercial, could go residential, and there's all kinds of houses. So I really want to show you all around this area. It's a busy road, but we are on Wall Street, which hits Main right back there behind me, and that's where I'm going to take you to a really cool place next. Let me show you all around this area. There is something being built right behind this, which I imagine is commercial, and then they'll have a wall going up there. Right here is a Baptist church. So then there's just all, it's a busy road, like I said, but right down there you can see the town center and the famous clock in Grapevine. So hold on, I'm going to show you that special surprise. Okay, so did you know Grapevine is known as the Christmas capital of Texas? So you have to come in December. I mean, really anytime. but December is a great time. So I want to take you through Main Street and show you some of the highlights of this area. At one of my very favorite restaurants is Espares, which is just off Main Street as well, and I'll grab a picture of that. But it is yummy, and they have great margaritas. So one fun fact is Texas doesn't get a whole lot of snow, so what you're going to see here on the ground is not snow. So here we go. All the businesses, everything are all done up for Christmas on Main Street in Grapevine. So there is Toyland right across the street here. It's got the crayon fence, and so we do have that. Let me show you that. Okay, so here is Toyland with that car sitting right there. Okay, here's Toyland. Here is, right in the center of town, the city Christmas tree, little gazebo area, and lots of vendors here. There's just tons of fun stuff to do here. They have Snoopy, they have the Grinch, all kinds of things. Okay, so if Grapevine is the Christmas capital of Texas, Espares is the margarita capital of Texas. Here's Espares. It is right off of Main Street. Little fun fact is this is one of the best kept secrets in Grapevine is Espares restaurant. They have all this outdoor dining. This used to be a house, and there's also indoor dining as well. So definitely come check out Espares when you're in the Grapevine area. Okay, thanks for joining me on my tour of Grapevine today. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll answer all your questions.